Psst. Okay, this is all about the sparrow hornbill. Being it? Okay. Before Agar comes, I'm gonna tell you all about this. This hornbill, remember back in chapter 1, was caught back in the box of a cage. So this is what the hornbill eats. He eats plants, fruits, seeds, insects, especially the grubs. Yeah. So everyone took turns. Until then, the hornbill is growing. Bigger beak, gray wings. But no, said Manuel. It's because that hornbill is still too young to fly. Besides his wing, he doesn't know how to fly yet because of his wings. I wonder what's. I think I gotta go to the exit door.